lot of patience. So I told him, अरे रुको, कुछ नहीं होता है, बाकी बच्चों को अंग्रेजी आती है, उनको सब्जेक्ट कहाँ आ रहा है? We are good in science and mathematics, don't worry. अच्छा खासा हो गया इंजीनियर, बाद में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई.
Right, right.
So we had to struggle in English. So after my first term, actually, I picked up the book, the Nobel Prize winning novel, Good Earth by Pearl Buck, sat down with dictionary in my home, Kuture, and each and every word which I did not understand, I jotted down, I mugged it up completely, and after that, I had no difficulty in English anywhere, everywhere. Okay, so and that is why, because I came from IIT and met so many people from so many parts of India, you say I can understand English of each and every person, no difficulty, whether he is a Bengali or Odia or Punjabi or something. So no issue after that. Right. I was good in sports also because we in Koture used to play volleyball. So I participated in the volleyball. I was always captain of my class of volleyball. And then
I see.
I was good in chess. So hostel chess champion I was. I started gymnastics there because here we used to climb trees, this, that. So gymnastics was it's okay for me. So I was in gymnastic team of IIT also. I used to do rope climbing those days. Okay. So all these physical activities also I participated. And first, 1 month itself, I went and met director and asked him why don't we start NCC? No, he said we are in developing stages, so we'll have it later. But then, as I told you that there was a sign of war, so somehow SSB team came to IIT when we were in final. Uh, After that China war debacle.
SSB means Selective Services
Yeah,
Board. Mean
Services
mandatory.
Selection Board.
Was it mandatory or was it like you had to,
No,
or you just
Services
sign up?
Selection Board examination for those who want to go to military.
Military. Okay.
Yeah. So our director those days was Brigadier S.K. Bose. So he just wanted to know how many of you are interested. So
I
only
see.
about 10 of us enrolled. Okay. And then he coached us for about 1 week. And we faced SSB, and two of us were selected by SSB. Okay. But then somehow they delayed the order so much that by that time 2 months have passed. I had joined MTech,
I see.
and because of that China debacle, I thought there would not be any war another 10 years. So
I see.
I wrote to them that I will complete my post graduation and join you. They refused that. So I did not go to military at that time.
Sir, two things come to my mind. One is, when we look at these people from 60s, 50s who went to college, and then we went to college, so what was the fun? Studying all that is okay. We know that is everybody has that challenge. But what did you guys do for fun?
Right,
कुछ
right.
एक्टिविटी था, क्या
हाँ हाँ,
था?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बताते हैं. हाँ, तो क्या है, the 5 बजे this college used to be over. We had 8:30 to 11:30 and 1 to 5. Okay, Saturday, Sunday off. Right. So after coming back, about 1 hour we used to play on playground. This that. So somebody used to run and fun have. We had table tennis, chess, carom, and uh, volleyball. Okay, so these were the games available. And then at about 7:30 we used to have food, and then up to 12 o'clock studies. Every Friday they were arranging on terrace a movie. You
I
see,
see.
they had purchased one machine. There's rewinding, and so after every reel there will be a 5 minute gap. Once it so happened that the sequence of reel was different. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
Huh? And then everyone had a different story for that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
So and if बारिश आती है तो छाता लेके बैठते थे मूवी देखने क्योंकि टेरेस पे हो रहा था. But then after 2 years they built one mini theater. So every Friday and just 50 paise for the movie.
I see.
No issue. 2 rupees per month. So 4 movies or 5 month movies.
So you
Then
were watching every week one movie, is it?
every week one movie. And then
Sujit,
most of us, yeah, most of us, used to roam around. We had lot of jungle, RA colony,
I
and
see.
all those things. Sometime I used to take my friends for a swim in Vihar Lake.
I see.
On the backside of that, uh, there were boards, beware of crocodiles. Crocodiles were there. Hmm? but, but we used to dare in that water. Hmm?
Yeah, yeah.
Nowadays, sometimes you get crocodile in the campus. I don't know why that time we never saw any crocodile. The crocodiles were there.
Human has taken their habitat, so
Yeah,
now they have to adapt to human
yeah,
habitat.
yeah.
That's
Possibly
what has
that is the
happened.
case. That is the case.
Yeah,
So we used to enjoy, and those Vihar Lake and Powai Lake, they were the picnic spots for Mumbai.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So and it was very accessible to us. Vihar Lake, we had to walk about 2 kilometers. Powai Lake, we had to walk about 3 kilometers. So sometime we used to go there. Movie shooting was there in Powai Lake for about 1 year. Movie shootings were going on.
I see.
So sometimes we used to go look at that also. And once in a month, they used to get some renowned artist in IIT. You know, national level artist in dance, singing, this, that. So that was also there for enjoyment.
So, sir, one movie a week अगर देखते थे 50 पैसे का तो you must remember so many movies, no? कोई any movie that sticks to your mind, any favorite?
मुझे बहुत सारे अच्छे लगे थे. कोई अ, तो अंग्रेजी तो अभी ज़्यादा ख्याल में नहीं है.
हाँ, हिंदी हिंदी.
हाँ हाँ, लेकिन वो 20 साल बाद करके एक बड़ी बढ़िया मूवी थी.
I see. Yeah.
दैट वाज ऑन हाउंड ऑफ बास्कर विले. यू हैव दैट क्या आर्थर कॉनन डाइल का है ना, शेरलॉक
हाँ,
होम्स.
हाँ. Sherlock
शेरलॉक
Holmes.
होम्स
Yeah.
का एक हाउंड ऑफ बास्कर विले, दैट मूवी आल्सो दे शोड अस.
Mhm.
एंड दिस 20 साल बाद हिंदी मूवी वाज बेस्ड ऑन दैट.
Yeah.
दैट आई लाइक्ड. देन देवानंद तो हमारा खास बढ़िया ये था.
Favorite actor, is
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah. Every movie, he would have some different shirt and jacket and cap. You see?
And
Uh,
Rumal in the
yeah,
neck.
yeah, yeah. One in one movie, he had a shirt where this this button पट्टी जो है ना,
हाँ.
हाँ, वो एकदम ऐसा क्रॉस था इधर ऊपर में. वो two flaps will open on the shoulder.
I see.
हाँ, तो दैट शर्ट, वो मैंने खुद का, मेरा शर्ट मैंने सिलाया था, मैंने खुद सिलाया और पहनता है टीम.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I used to do some tailoring, no. Yeah, all
Yeah.
my undergarment garments were stitched by me only those days.
I see.
Yeah, yeah, pajamas and undergarments. They were,
Yeah, yeah.
एक दो शर्ट सिलाए, और पहने भी आए टीम.
I see. तो that was fine. दूसरा क्या था अभी? I mean, in these days, college these days क्या हर when you are in college, you're 18 years old. Hormones are there. Everybody is looking for girls and going different places in
Yeah,
search of
नहीं तो
I consider the thrill of chase. So ऐसा कुछ होता था?
हाँ, जो अमीर बच्चे थे, शहर से थे, हाँ, वो शराब विराब पीते थे, रात रात वो ब्रिज वगैरह खेलते थे. सो सम ऑफ देम वेर सेंट बैक because in my time, if you fail in the first year, there was no re-exam. Or nowadays they have re-exam in IIT also. There was no re-exam or anything. You straight away pack your bag and go home. Okay. So we were admitted about 150 students, and about uh, 12 students were sent back at the end of the first year. One of the student every day he used to go to Mumbai. He'll go to a hospital, get a medical this thing, certificate sort of thing, and go. because we were not allowed to miss the classes. If you miss a class, you are marked absent for the day and you are fined 1 rupee. If your fine exceeds 4 rupee in a month, letter goes to your parents. Up to 3 rupees you are allowed to pay from your own pocket. So some of the students like that, they went back. So all of us were quite studious about this studies, etc. Some of them, as I told you, they went back. And those who were rich, they had liquors and cigarettes and all that. So much so that once one fellow's father came, he did not take him to his room. He took him to some other room because his room was full of cigarettes, this, that, naked photos and whatnot. Hmm? So we villagers were away from all these things. We were never, after girlfriends, this, that, nothing of that kind. I used to be scared to talk to girls. It was in village, it was not the fashion to talk to girls. So somehow I and we had no lady student up to our batch. First 3 batches, there was no lady student. The fourth batch, one girl was admitted. Her name was Tejaswini, and she was really Tejaswini. So she won't tolerate any nonsense. Okay. So there was no chance of having one lady teacher was there. Anyway, uh, yeah, she was the first lady engineer of Maharashtra. She was our teacher. So that sort of thing was not there at all. We didn't get into that.
So I'm going to be a little bit more provocative.
Yeah.
So cigarette and दारू इन लोग शराब पीते हैं.
Right.
So what is your exposure to that?
Yeah.
मतलब
So,
some place
correct.
all yeah.
Correct. Cigarette I tried, maybe 2-3 times. I didn't like it. That bitter taste and bitter smell and all that thing. Right?
Correct.
But I totally avoided liquor.
I see.
I did not touch even during my this thing. When I went to USA, then every kind of liquor I tasted about a few, maybe 5 milliliter or something. So I have tasted all vodka and different kinds of whiskeys. They they do some mixture. This is neat. This is cool. This is this. So all those things I tried. I even tried the Arunachali beer. Though
I
they
see.
make it in their own house. The
Yeah,
rice, rice,
homemade brew.
rice thing. So,
Rice wine.
yeah, but in a very mild, small quantities to test what it is.
Correct.
That's all. So somehow, because one person who is expert in treating this alcoholism, his observation is, or statistical observation, 13% people can get addicted. But he says you don't know whether you are in those 13% or in 87%. Okay. So if you are by chance in that 13%, you have had it. So somehow I kept away from all that thing. During my first few years of this as a staff, some of them used to have some liquor parties. So I used to join and take maybe 1 or 2 ml of that, and it's fine. Okay. And as a principal, I used to be invited to many parties in industries. There also, so many people will keep on drinking. We'll take some Coca-Cola or orange and move around for some time. And then, I used to go and ask those waiters, hey, please start food now. Let them drink. And due to my cap and all that thing, they used to feel that I am from the management. They would start that.
Okay.
And then so many of us who were waiting for that, they will dine and go away. Those people will keep on drinking. So that is my exposure to drinking and smoking.
Okay. So you have
I had also purchased a pipe.
I see. वो खाली स्टाइल के लिए कि जस्ट
हाँ,
वांटेड टू ट्राई.
स्टाइल वो नहीं, कभी स्मोक नहीं किया.
अच्छा.
स्टाइल मारा.
You don't consume or you don't you do it in social setting or जो भी है in very limited